Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment method on Booking.com. So first of all, open Booking.com in your browser or on your mobile phone. Now, once the website opens, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile, a small menu will appear. From here, click on My Account. Now you will be taken to your account page. Scroll down a little. Here, you will see different options on the screen. Now look at the right side, and you will see a section similar to the one shown on the screen. From this page, find and click on Payment Methods. After clicking on Payment Methods, a new page will open. Here, you will see an option to add a new card. Click on Add Card. Now simply enter your card details, such as your card number, expiry date, and security code. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Save button. And that's it. Your payment method has now been successfully added to your Booking.com account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.